Hello, thanks for joining us for this video guide. In this video, we will take a look at the second part of our wall framing tutorial. This video will focus on editing the wall framing, however it will only cover specific commands for the wall panel system and its wall framing accessories. Our accompanying video to this one looks at more general framing tools that can be used across the whole of our panelization systems. This is the previous video, so go back and watch that if you haven't already. Our software has a variety of framing accessories, with their availability being customization dependent. These are accessed from the wall panel menu in the Modeling tab, and framing accessories is shown. Within here, you can access things such as anchors, lifting points, vibration isolations, studs, and custom framing accessories we may have developed for you. Bracing, for instance, is added by double-clicking the bracing type you want and then selecting the panel. You are then prompted to select your first point, which will always be the lower point, and then up to the second point, which is the highest point, as shown. Vertex BD will automatically put in place the bracing with the relevant connections also added. Extra profiles, including the back studs and blocking, can be added from the studs folder. As an example, I will use the blocking option, but the others are added in a similar way. First, double-click the thumbnail and select the pan. The system will automatically select the profile type. However, this can be easily changed by utilizing the select button shown. You can then define placement, however, with this profile going into a panel, it's best to keep it as middle. Opening just controls which side the web is on, and there is a toggle option to automatically add connections. Press OK and then simply draw a line for the piece to be added. Connections, etc. can then be added if applicable for your project. This concludes the second part of our video showcasing some of the wall framing features within Vertex BD Wood. For more in-depth detail on our framing features and customization options, please check out our website or get in touch. Stay tuned for the next video in this series where we will take a look at panel drawings within Vertex BD Wood.